So here is a much awaited phone by LeEco, Le1s. 70,000 pieces were sold of this in 2 seconds and we managed to grab this one. So let's unbox it. In bubble wrap, we have the box. So in the box we have this handset. It's a full metal body handset, 5.5 inch screen. And I guess this is the user manual. This is the user manual. Here is the USB cable. This is a cable for C-type port. Got the handset, the cable and the adapter and user manual. Looking according to the specs, so this is the fingerprint scanner. There is the 13 MP camera with flash, and over here is 5 MP camera. The phone is taking too much too. And this is the C-type port, which LETV claims that if you charge it for 5 minutes, then you will get a 3-year long talk time.
Ah.